All right, what we got here is the Packtalk Edge by Cardo. All right, real quick, before we get into this video, I gotta ask you guys to please like, comment, and subscribe. As of the recording of this video, we've got 100 subscribers. We're slowly growing, and we want to continue to grow. So, if you like what you see, you want to see more, go ahead and click that button. It don't cost you a dime. After you subscribe, go ahead and comment down below that you subscribed. Leave a comment down below if you like what you see, if there's anything else that you'd like to see, or suggestions. We're all open to it. Enjoy the video. That allows you to connect up to like 16 people. Now I've used the Cardo FreeCom a lot. I've had it for a couple years and it works great. I've bought quite a few of them. Cardo makes really good products and they're always upping their game. Boom. There's a lot of stuff in here. I say it is pretty important to read the instructions because of all the different features and functions that these bring. I'll open this up. Now, you've got your charging cable. You got your speakers. You got the mounting bracket. And there's another mounting bracket as well as the Velcro that goes inside your speaker holes inside your helmet. And then it also comes with a boom mic. Oh, and then there's the other microphone. All right. I've never used the boom mic because I use a closed-faced helmet. But I know somebody who does, and it works pretty good. So this slides into this. You've got a couple different ways of being able to mount these onto your helmets. And so that slides right on in there. Okay, but we're not gonna lock it in yet. Now the other way is through a clip that goes and slides into the side of your helmet. The Cardo, the unit itself, just kind of snaps on there. Now these JBL speakers, the biggest difference that I've noticed between different comm systems is the sound quality for both you and whoever you're talking to. There's tons of settings within the Cardo app to adjust noise cancellation, wind noise. So I'm gonna go and pop open my helmet, pull the padding out to expose where the speaker pockets are. Okay, now I've got the AGV K6 helmet. You have maybe different, but the process is pretty much the same. After you remove your padding, you're gonna, like this helmet right here has got speaker pockets on either side. All right, we're gonna take these, we're gonna stick them inside here for the speakers to then stick to. Install these, which go on top of the Velcro you put in there, and then the speaker attaches to it if you need it a little bit louder. Now I've got experience with these, and they're quite loud already. So one thing to pay attention to is knowing which side of the helmet that you want to install the mount. I prefer to have it on the left side of my helmet. So when you go to put your speaker in, keep in mind that one is shorter than the other. That is going to be the side that the unit will mount to. All right, so we're just going to go ahead and pop these on in here. All right, now something else to keep in mind is your cable management or wire management inside your helmet. It may be tempting to just go and run the wire up along here and over to the side. But when you go to install the padding back inside your helmet, these plastic clips here could end up cutting into your wire when they go to reattach right up on there. So what I like to do is take my cable on this particular helmet. What I'm going to do, put on down there. But over on this side, I'm definitely following that right there. And then I just snap these right up in there. All right. And then next, we're going to go ahead and install the microphone. And in here, I'm probably just going to stick it right there. It comes with these alcohol prep pads for you to clean the area. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. It's just the reverse of taking your helmet apart to put it back together. Then what you'll want to do, turn it on, touch the front button, the bottom button, hold it down for 2 seconds, and it'll turn on. And then to pair it phone, you'll hold down this button right here for 5 seconds. Download the Cardo Connect app. Then you'll probably end up having to update it. That takes several minutes to update. Then after you update it, you're ready to go. Use the app to be able to play music, connect to other riders, like when you're on a group ride or riding with a friend and they have a Cardo, you can intercom together. It's a great tool, and it makes riding a lot safer, especially if you're in a group, because you can communicate real time with one another. And then you can make phone calls or accept phone calls. If you've loaded up and you've got some way to mount your phone on your motorcycle, or just keep your phone in your pocket, you can hear the directions. It is extremely convenient. So, till next time, I'll catch you on the next ride.